Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to block websites on Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to boost your productivity, create a safer browsing environment for kids, or simply set limits for yourself. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to prevent access to distracting or unwanted sites right from your browser. No technical skills required. So let's dive straight in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. If you already have Chrome running, you're good to go. If not, just double-click that familiar colorful icon on your desktop or find it in your application menu. This step might seem obvious, but Chrome is different from other browsers, and today's method works specifically with Chrome's unique features. Next, we're going to get the Chrome Web Store, which is like an app store but for your browser. In the search bar, right at the top where you normally type in website addresses, just enter Chrome Store. As soon as you hit enter, you'll see several results, but look specifically for the one labeled Chrome Web Store. Sometimes it's the very first result. Just make sure it's the official store, usually with a URL starting with chrome.google.com. Clicking this will open up a whole world of extensions, little tools that let you do even more with Chrome. Once you're inside the Chrome Web Store, take a moment to look around if you're curious. But for our purpose today, go ahead and click on Extensions. This section is dedicated to add-ons that can change how your browser works. Extensions are super handy for things like ad blocking, password management, and in our case, website blocking. Now, in the extensions search box at the top left, type Block Website. You'll see a bunch of options pop up, but I recommend selecting the one called Block Site. It's one of the most trusted and user-friendly extensions for blocking websites. You'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click that. At this point, Chrome will start downloading the extension and setting it up for you. Give it a moment. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds, maybe up to a minute. Don't worry if it takes a little longer. Sometimes Chrome does a quick security check in the background. Once it's finished, you'll see a little block site icon appear near the top right corner of your browser. Now comes the fun part, actually blocking a site. Click on the block site icon, and you'll get a menu. There should be a field where you can type in the web address of any site you want to block, whether it's social media, a game, or anything else. For example, if you want to block Facebook, just type facebook.com. Once you've entered the address, click Add Item or the plus button to confirm. That site is now on your block list. Just to make sure it worked, try typing in the address of the site you just blocked in a new tab. If everything went smoothly, you'll see that access is denied and you can't reach the page. It's as simple as that. You've just taken control of your browsing experience, whether for productivity, safety, or just personal peace of mind. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions about website blocking or Chrome extensions, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new distraction-free Chrome browsing.